Hi, welcome back. Now we would like to combine multiple customization. Now let's put everything together to have a coding exercise in a single plot to do a lot of customization. Here is our libraries that we would like to import. We are generating X and Y coordinates randomly 50 numbers between 0 and 1. Here also we are having the generation of colors, 50 numbers again between 0 and 1, because we are going to use these 50 numbers that are between 0 and 1 for our color map, and each point is getting one unique value of this 50 generated numbers, and we are going to use a color map, so each point is assigned a unique color. Also, we would like to have different sizes. So we are generating random integers between 100 and 300, and there are 50 50 numbers in this array. Okay, so we are going to have 50 integers being generated between 100 and 300, and it is assigned to sizes. Okay, so this is how we can have different sizes. Then we would like to plot our scatter plot. We are having X and Y for the X-axis and Y-axis. We're going to have sizes, so S equals sizes, so we're going to have varying sizes, different sizes that are generated randomly between 100 and 300, and because we are having 50 points, we generated 50 sizes. Then we are having the colors being equal to the 50 numbers that are generated for colors between 0 and 1, and then we are using those values in our color map, and we are having the cool warm color map to assign each point a unique color. Then we are having the alpha, which is the transparency adjustment, so we would like to have 0.6. We have the edge color equal to black and line width to be 1.2. Then we are having the title of our scatter plot. We are saying customized scatter plot, and in order to modify the size, we can have font size equal 14. Then we are having the label for x-axis and y-axis. Again, we are having the font size customized to 12. And then finally, we are having our color bar being here used. So we use the color bar function and label it to be color scale. And then we show the figure. So when I run this code, we are having a figure like this. First of all, the x-axis label, the y-axis label, and we see that all the points are between 0 and 1. So this is our figure. This is the title customized scatter plot, and you see that the font size here is larger than the y-axis label and x-axis label. So this is what we do here. Okay. Then we see that the sizes are different and the colors are different. So for the sizes, because we had different sizes here, 50 sizes were generated between 100 and 300 and assigned to the sizes array and assigned here. So for each point that is having x and y coordinates, we are having one unique size. Then for the colors also, we generated 50 colors, 15 numbers, let's say, between 0 and 1 and assigned to the colors array, and we use those values to use the color map cool warm, and this is why each point is getting a unique color. You see that the color scale is between 0 and 1. The more we are close to the 1, we see that the color is more getting close to somehow a reddish color, and we are having the alpha equals 0.6. We could have, for example, 0.1 to have less transparency. You see, as we increase this number, we are going to have more transparency. So when I run, we see. And finally, we are having the edge color and line width. So the edge color is black. You see, it is a black in the outer layer of our dots. If I put, for example, green, it's more transparent. You see that what I am talking about. Okay, so now it's green. It's green. So you see that the edge is different now. Then we are having the line width. It's set to 1.2. If I set to 3, for example, you see that the width of the edge is thicker, so it is something that we can customize as well, and we see the green color more clearly now. So I will go back to 1.2 and I will go back to black for the moment, but you can customize it based on your need and based on what you're looking for. So in this video, we learned different things. First of all, we reviewed how to have different colors and varying sizes. Then we learned about a new color map called Coolworm. We discussed about the edge color here and the width of the edge here also. We learned how to have font sizes customization for our labels, and we saw that here the title's font size is larger, for example, than the y-axis label. Thank you for watching.